Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see calculating the time between two dates in Excel, breaking it down into years, months and days. It's a handy skill for project management, invoicing or any time tracking needs. Let's dive right in. Assume that you have start dates in column E and end dates in column B like this. First, calculate years. In cell C4, type the formula as equals to dated if, open the parenthesis, select the start value as A4, comma, end weight as B4, comma, in the inverted quotes type Y and close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as 2, which is 2 years. This calculates the number of complete years between the two dates. Next, let's calculate months. In cell D4, type the formula as equals to dated if, open the parenthesis, A4, comma, B4, comma. Now in the inverted quotes type M, close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as 26, which is 26 months. This calculates the number of complete months between the two dates. Copy this formula and paste in cell E4, and if you type YM instead of M in the third argument, you would get the result as 2 months, as this gives the remaining months after calculating the years. Next, let's calculate days. In cell F4, type the formula as equals to dated if, open the parenthesis, A4, comma, B4, comma, in the inverted quotes type D and close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as 805, which is 805 days. This calculates the number of complete days between the two dates. Again, if you type MD instead of D in the third argument, you would get the result as 14 days, as this provides the days remaining after calculating the years and months. So, if you want to calculate age based on two dates, I would enter the formula in cell H4 as equals to dated if, open the parenthesis, A4, comma, B4 in the inverted quote type as Y, close the parenthesis, ampersand, type in the inverted quotes as text as years, close the inverted quotes, ampersand, give some space in the inverted quotes, ampersand, again dated if, open the parenthesis, A4, comma, B4, comma, in the inverted quotes type YM to calculate months, close the parenthesis, ampersand, in the inverted quotes type the text as space months, close the inverted quotes, ampersand, give space, ampersand, dated if, open the parenthesis, A4, comma, B4, comma, in the inverted quotes type MD this time, close the parenthesis, ampersand, in the inverted quotes type space and days, close the inverted quotes. Okay, once you're done, press enter to see the result as 2 years, 2 months and 14 days like this. And there you have it. You have successfully calculated the time between two dates in Excel, accounting for years, months and days. So that's all about calculating time between two dates in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.